Joyrider.
You are?
Let's say that.
Pardon?
Joyrider.
Yeah, but the joyrider comes after the question has been answered.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker and Honorable Members. This is one other thing that affects each and every member of Parliament in this House, because members, as you will remember, we had phase one of this program that covered each and every one of your constituencies, and a total of 7,600,000,062 million was utilized in phase one, which was done between, I think, 2020, 2021, and a total number of 9,721 classrooms in secondary schools were built. And those ones are complete, and the payments have been done. We don't have anything pending. In the phase two, which the honorable member for Bonchari has been able to raise a question, apart from this area where a total of 12 million is supposed to be used for the classrooms that were given in Bonchari, countrywide, the total number of classrooms which are supposed to be done are 6,495, out of which the contractors who have been contracted to do those classrooms are 6,371 contractors. That is phase two. The total cost of phase two is 2,542,000,000, and a number of those classrooms are complete. A few are not complete, and we are hoping that before the end of the financial year, they should be complete. For Bonchari, the status is as given in the table. Botoro secondary is 80% complete. Kerubo is about 90% complete. St. Andrews Mugumo is at one classroom is complete, and the other one is 75% complete. St. Anne's Nyangoge, 2 classrooms are complete. St. Charles Ruanga Gesero is complete, the 1 classroom. St. Francis Nyasagachi is complete. St. Peter Suneka is complete, and St. Vincent Umari is also complete. The second part of the question, Honorable Speaker, is that we are expecting that the schools will be completed before 30th June, and there are 7 schools which have been completed.